Question 5, part 1 and part 2. First two terms are 34 s infinity. So a plus ar equals 34. So that's a 1 plus r, or a equals 34 over 1 plus r. Right, and a over 1 minus r is the sum to infinity is 162. So a is equal to 162 times 1 minus r. So a is equal to that, and a is equal to 34 over 1 plus r. So that tells us then that 1 minus r times 1 plus r, when we move that up, that's 1 minus r squared, is equal to 34 over 162, which is 17 over 81. So r squared then is equal to 1 minus the 17 over 81. 64, which is promising, so r is equal to 8 over 9. So the first term, a, is equal to 162 times 1 minus 8/9 is 1/9. 10 is 90, leaves 72, 18, a is 18. So that's 18, and r is 8/9 for a and b. Part 2 then. We've got a is 42, r is 6/7. What is a number of terms minimum? So the Sn. Okay. Sn is equal to a 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So we've got 42 over 1 minus 6/7 is 1/7 times 1 minus 6/7 to the n is equal to, say, 290, was greater than 290. When does that happen? Okay, so 280, so we got 1 minus 6/7 to the n. Now we can move this 7 up to be with the 240. Needs to be greater than or equal to, got here. The 7 comes up to the 42. So it's 296, and we can move it down. 280, 294, which is 148 over 147. So what do we get? We get 6 over 7 to the n. Right, move that over there, is less than or equal to 1 minus, so it's minus 1 over 147, which doesn't compute. So that's not good. So there must be a mistake. 6/7, 42, 1/7. Yeah, and move that down. 280, 294. That looks fine. Well, let's move. 6/7 is less than or equal to, and move that over So that's wrong. Let's have a look at the question. First term of 42 and a common ratio of 6/7 exceeds 290. So for some reason I put 296 because I didn't read it correctly. So apologies for that. So let's just get that correct. So that's 145, isn't it? So that would be plus, and then it would be 2. That's better because it's positive now. 2 over 147. So what value of n is less than is what you could do, or you could just go equals. So 6/7 to the n is equal to 2 over 147. What value of n do you get? We'll take logs. N is equal to log. Move that down to be the base number of the number 2 over 147. So let's have a look at that. So we got log of 6 divided by 7 of 2 divided by 147. 27.877. So the first term it exceeds would be when n is equal to 28. N is 28.